Hello friends, thank you for clicking on the video, and today I'm gonna share with you how you can fix your Microsoft Teams notification problem. Okay, we need to go Teams, then go to, you can see the left right corner three dot, click on it, and here you can see the third option. Sorry, fourth option, settings, click on it, and then the second option you can see here, notification, click on it, and then here you can see the notification all option. Okay, here the notification all option is off, none. Okay, that means there is no notification come from you. So how can you fix it? So simply go to settings,